Hello, this is Anis from Avlink. I'm very happy to introduce you about our 37.6-inch screen screen. Now you can see it is made from this metal material, so it is very reliable. And also this material can be aluminum profile, which is another elegant design. And this operating system, it can be Windows if you need some powerful version, and it can be HDMI input if you have your own media player or box. And now currently it is Android operating system. It is USB plug in and play. Now I show you. First, you need to copy file from your PC or some other material into this USB disk. Then you insert this USB disk into this USB port. Yes. Yes, you can see. Take out when you don't need it. Also, you can copy the file from the USB disk to this screen. And we have various screen design, various screen this big, small. Send me inquiry if you have your own demand, your special requirements. I will reply you all within 1 hour. Thank you.